Hi guys, how are you all doing? So my name is Aisha for those of you that are new to my channel, and I post videos once a week on a Sunday, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So I am back with my annual Eid Turban tutorial video. So if you're new, basically I do one of these every year just to give you guys ideas for styles that you can rock for Eid or any other occasion, or just for a normal day. So without further ado, we'll get straight into this video. And just in case the lighting changes, I'm basically using natural lighting because I love natural lighting, it's the best. But yeah, the sun could go up and down, so if it changes, that's why. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section which styles are your favourite. If you rock any of the styles as well, do send it to me on Instagram. I love seeing your attempts at my turban styles, and I love to share them on my stories with your consent, of course. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you've not already, and turn the notification bell on as well, so that you'll be alerted whenever I post a new video. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first style will be using this chiffon scarf. So this is it here, and if you want to know what I've done under the scarf, then I'll leave a link to the video that I've done on that a long time ago, which tells you what I do under my turbans. So this is the scarf here. It's that wide and it's pretty long as well. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to put it on your head with one side much shorter than the other, a bit shorter than that even. Okay, and this is a really nice flowy, like summery style as well. So let's have a look. Okay, so you have one short side and then you have a really long side. Okay, so then all you need to do is, okay, so sorry, the memory ran out. So you have the chiffon scarf on your head, one short side, one long side, and then you need to take the inside part here and then just bring it around like this. Okay, just take it round, and then I think I need to lower you guys down a bit because I'm on my tiptoes. So you've taken that side round to the back like that, and then you need to take the inside part of this other side and then pretty much just bring it round to the other side like that. It's so easy, like you just saw how easy that was, right? But it's so cute and very nice and summery. And another way you can do it is you can, instead of putting that round to the back, you can pin it up here, like underneath to your under scarf thing. Okay, but I don't want to do that. And yeah, there you have it. And you can just obviously accessorize with some nice earrings to match your scarf. So I'll be using these ones that I got a little while ago from New Look, and I absolutely love them. I use them all the time, and that's quite rare for me. I usually buy earrings and just don't use them. Okay, put the other one in. And there you have it, style number one, a really nice flowy summery scarf style that you can rock. And I would say that it works nicest with a chiffon scarf as well, because you know, with chiffon you get that really nice flowy kind of like carefree style almost. So yeah, that's style number one. This next style is also using a chiffon scarf. I know I never usually use this many chiffon scarves in any tutorial video. So basically it's just another big one and long like that, and you're going to just fold it, not fully in half. You basically want to fold it so that when you put it on your head, you're going to put it on forward. When you put it on your head, you don't want any kind of gaps, so you can see this bit. So I'll just do that now. So I've kind of folded it that much, and that should be enough. Okay, so you put it over your head like so. Two equal sides like that. And then you just want to tie it at the front. Like that. Okay, and then take the right side and you need to basically just open it up. Like so. Is that the right way? Okay, so open it up and then just flick it backwards, okay? And then just kind of keep it there. And then take this side and then bring it round over here. Okay, so that goes over that and it kind of holds it down a bit. And then bring this side round to the other side and just tuck it under. Like this. Okay. And you can add a pin in there just to make it additionally kind of more secure. Mine feels fine, so I'm going to leave it. So you can leave it like this if you want and kind of just neaten that bit up, tuck bits in and stuff so it dangles down. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to take this side and then kind of gather it a bit so it's a little neater. But before you tuck it in, just pull this and adjust it to how you would like it to be. So like to almost form a bit of a fringe for you. Just like this. And I'm doing this with no mirror, just my camera lens thing, the screen. Okay. So when you get it how you want it, then just neatly take this round to the back and then also tuck that under. Okay. And just obviously make sure you look in the mirror, make sure you're like neat at the back. I hope that's neat. So yeah, this is literally it. Let's change up the earrings on this. So for this next style, you want to take any kind of scarf really. I'm using one of these pashmina scarves. Put it on equal sides. Just kind of take one side back to an angle. Ooh, it's making me look orange. And then do a little fold here like that, so you get a little crisscross at the front of your head, like so. Okay. So once you've done that, then you need to get another scarf. So it can be any kind of scarf. I'm using like an African material scarf, so it's super long. So it needs to be, it doesn't have to be exactly the same length. These two aren't exactly the same length, but they both do need to be long, somewhat long. Okay, and then I'm simply just going to fold that kind of side slightly, and then just put it over my head. Like this. Okay, like that. All right, and then just going to take them all back, all right round to the back, like this. Okay, so I'm just literally taking them all back together like that, treating them as one. Okay, and you can sort all the back out and stuff. Okay, so now I'm just going to take one side and wrap the blue and orange sides around each other like this, so you have this pretty pattern forming. Okay, and just keep going for as long as you can. You see what I mean? These two sides, okay, it kind of looks like it is the same size, but yeah, you see I did that one shorter. Whoops, doesn't matter. So you just keep going until you can't go any further, and then you can just basically wrap the end like that, so you've kind of got a neat kind of end, if you know what I mean. And then you need to do exactly the same for the other side. So I'll just tuck this side out of the way and just start twisting. And then when you get to the end, again, just open this one out and kind of wrap this inside of it, kind of thing. Okay, so you've got your two sides done now. So you literally just bring it over to the top, and you can pretty much do it in any kind of style. So you can go like this. I like doing mine at a bit of an angle, like this. And then literally just cross the two sides over, and then tuck, tuck, tuck. And you can use pins for this. You can use pins for this as well if you want kind of extra security, but again, I literally never use pins if I don't have to, and this feels secure enough for me. And then just tuck things in, really. So there you have it. This style I love. Next style is using another one of these kind of pashmina type scarves. So it's really long. It's not the widest, but it's really long. Okay, so you're going to just put this over your head like so. I'm just folding it a little bit because it's a little too wide for me otherwise, just the tiniest little bit. Okay, and then put it over your head like that, and then just like cross the two sides over. Okay, and then I like to just twist this side, bring it around. Okay, and just tuck it in on itself like that. And then with this side, this is where the magic happens. This side, you're basically going to like get ruffles, ruffle it all up and pin it down. My worst thing in the world, using pins, but you gotta do it for this style. So literally just ruffle with your fingers, then pin down, ruffle and pin down. So I will show you some of this on camera, then I'll need to go up in front of a mirror to do the rest because I am the worst with pins. If you've been following me for a while, you know that now. Okay. So literally just, if you see my face changing, it's probably because I'm pricking myself. Oh my god. I'm so bad at pinning, and I'm here doing it, trying to do it without a mirror. Pins are honestly lethal. I don't know how people do it. And this will use a lot of pins as well, by the way. So make sure you have enough pins to hand. Oh, nearly got my head. Okay, I'm going to go and do the rest off camera because I'm literally pricking myself here. But this is literally the pattern I'm just going to keep following. Just ruffle and tuck, and I will come back in a bit. Okay guys, so I didn't actually need to do that much pinning. So this is the final style. So if you didn't have like a scarf with a tassel, with the tassels at the end, then you could do it with the whole thing and like scrunch it all up, ruche it all up, and it would look really, really pretty. But this had tassels, so I kind of just thought it looked better to just let it dangle and hang down like this. So yeah, this is this style. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, or this video even, and hopefully you will try some of these styles out. And if you do, like I said, make sure to send me pictures on Instagram, because I love seeing your pictures of your turbans. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you on my next one. I hope everyone has an amazing Eid. So Eid Mubarak in advance, guys. Bye.